Hey fatty! In this video I'm going to explain how to test your water source and explain the difference between pH and alkalinity, and I'm going to tell people why I push the Evian water as far as shelf water goes, because it pulls the fucking best results I've ever fucking seen. Okay? And I got real natural spring water here today to test the Evian water against. So I got Evian, I got natural spring water from fucking Rimbey Alberta, right out of the fucking bush. This is some of the best water you could possibly fucking find in nature right here in this bottle. So here's how I'm going to test it. I got these hot tub strips. They're called Quick Sticks. Okay? And on the back there's some color codes. So there's pH, alkalinity, and free chlorine, which we're not really worried about. So, before we get into this, I'm going to explain pH and alkalinity are not the same fucking thing, obviously, or there wouldn't be two fucking color codes for each of them. pH is the amount of H+ ions in the water. You learned this in fucking grade 12 chemistry. Alkalinity is the amount of dissolved ions in the water. Alkalinity is the water's ability to buffer acid, okay? Now, we're going to test these waters. So, we'll test the spring water from Rimbey first. Okay, so the bottom one is pH. So the Rimbey water has a really high pH of about 7.8 to 9, okay? It goes 9, this is 7.8, 8.4, and 9. So we're right around 8.4 to 9, which is high. That's good. We want to be over 7. Now the alkalinity is maxed out, 240 ppm. That's how good this water is. This is as good a water as you're going to fucking find right here in this fucking spring in Rimbey. Okay, now, we're going to check the Evian water. Evian water, 7.8 to 8.4 for pH, which is good. 240 parts per million for alkalinity, which is right on the top end. Okay? That's fucking why I tell you to drink the Evian water. It almost pulls exact same numbers as the fucking spring water, for crying out loud. Here's the two. You can see the Evian is the bottom one. Slightly lower pH. That's why I fucking say to buy the Evian at the store. You're not going to get a better store-bought bottled water than the fucking Evian water. Okay? So, just to say, when you're watching all these fucking YouTube videos where they're testing water pH, if they're not testing alkalinity, it doesn't mean a fucking thing, their little video. I see these videos floating around all the time. The alkalinity is more important than the pH. For example, your piss, your pH is like 5 or lower. And the alkalinity is like 240 ppm. And piss is one of the healthiest things you could drink. Okay, so that's the truth about water. That's how you check it. These strips are hot tub strips. I think I got them at Home Depot or something. Go pick some up. Test your water. If your water's pulling over 120 ppm alkalinity and over 7 pH, it's fine. So everyone have a great day and get that fat in ya.